In the WorkTank Home Office Diary, you have two methods, the fixed rate method and the actual cost method. Simply select which method you want to use. For the fixed rate method, you need to add a log and record all of your home office hours. As you are recording your hours, the claim is automatically updating. You'll see the claim both in the Home Office Diary and in the Expense tab. You'll also see the log down the bottom, which is fully exportable. For the actual cost method, simply use the sliders to set a reasonable claim percentage for each of the categories and click Update. As you update, any existing expense claims within TaxTank will automatically be adjusted to the claim percentage set in the Home Office Diaries. You'll also see these expense categories updated on the Expense tab. When recording from bank feeds, you simply select the bank transaction you wish to allocate and the category, which will then display the claim percent as per the Home Office logbook. Alternatively, you can create rules for auto-allocation, and once again when you select the Home Office category, the claim percent will automatically be set as well, ensuring accurate and consistent claims. In the SolTank Home Office Diary, there is an additional method called the occupancy rate. When you select this method, you can use the calculator to calculate the claim based on the floor percentage. Simply enter the square meterage of your property and your home office space, then indicate whether or not it's used exclusively for work. If it's not, put a reasonable claim percentage in and click Save. TaxTank will automatically calculate the claim based upon the calculator. And once again, from the Expense tab, you'll see that any existing categories allocated within TaxTank will be automatically updated. We recommend using the logbook for all methods, which is fully exportable at any time, to ensure you can switch between the methods and make the biggest claim at tax time. If you're not sure, click the Which Method Should I Choose button, or alternatively, check out our full range of support articles. Enjoy using Australia's first digital home office diary.